Hello children, good morning. How are you all? I hope all of you are fit and fine. I am your Amita ma'am and welcome to Language Space. Today in Language Space we are going to learn E sound words. E says E. You have already learned consonants and 5 vowels, that is A, E, I, O and U. We have also learned A sound words. So today we will learn words with the primary sound E, that is E. E sound words are the words in which the primary sound is of vowel E. For example, pet, den, net, etc. So let's learn E sound words.
E sound words. E says E. The first picture is den. Lion lives in a den. D says D. E says E. N says N. The N den. नेट यानी जाली जिसमें हम फिश पकड़ते हैं. N says N. E says E. T says T. Net. Hen. It is a farm bird. H says H. E says E. N says N. N. Hen. Pen. It is what we write with. P says P. E says E. N says N. N. Pen. Keg. K. E. G. Keg. It means big drum, जिसमें हम पानी भी भर सकते हैं. वेट. वेट यानी गीला. व ए ट वेट. WET वेट. लेग. ल ए ग लेग. LEG लेग. पेग. P E G peg. PEG peg यानी क्लिप. BED bed. BED bed जिसमें हम सोते हैं. पेट. PET pet. PET pet. Animals that live with us. Red. Red. RED red. It is a color. Wed. 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 WED wed. These are all E sound words. Now we have to write in our English classwork book page number 97. E sound words. But first we have to write today's date. 6-1-2021. 6th January 2021. Now, first picture is den. DEN den. So let's write. For alphabet D, make a standing line. Go up. C curve. Touch the second blue line. For alphabet E, make a curve. Go up. C curve. Touch the second blue line. For alphabet N, standing line, go up, make a curve, standing line. D says the. E says a. N says the then. D, E, N, then. Now, net. For alphabet N, standing line, go up, make a curve, touch the second blue line. For alphabet E, make a curve, go up, C curve. For alphabet T, standing line, come down, touch the second blue line, make a turn. First blue line, make a sleeping line. N says E says a. T says t. A, t, net. N, E, T, net. Now which picture is this? Hen. For alphabet H, make a standing line, go up, make a curve, touch the second blue line. For alphabet E, make a curve, go up, C curve. For alphabet N, standing line, go up, make a curve, touch the second blue line. H says her. E says a. N says ha, a, hen. H, E, N, hen. Now which picture is this? Pen. For alphabet P, P-E-N, pen. For alphabet P, standing line, go up, reverse C, touch the second blue line. For alphabet E, make a curve, go up, C curve. For alphabet N, standing line, go up, make a curve, Touch the second blue line. P says per. E says a. N says pa pen. P E N pen. You have to complete this page like this. In English homework book, you have to complete page number 60.
Hope you all enjoyed learning E-sound words. So, see you tomorrow. Take care. Bye.